wife has asked me to make some comfort food, which brought some comfort to her grandfather, which is something he likes to eat, so split pea soup. We're literally going to make it with a smoked pork hock, an onion, garlic, split peas, olive oil, and a big pot. Now that you've got your equipment, sorry, cutting board and a knife, you're going to need these things too. That's basically it.
Right, so this recipe is so basic, it's basically going to take me less than 2 minutes to explain it to you. First thing, dice your garlic. Second thing, dice your onions. And lastly, what you're going to need to do is grab your pork hock, which is a nice smoked piece of pork right there, and turn this thing into something that looks like a diced pork hock. You want to keep the bone in there as well because the bone adds a bit of extra flavor. Now, fry your garlic in a big pot. Fry your onions with your garlic. Give it sizzle. Add the bone in because this is going to add a whole lot more flavor to it. And obviously, once you've added the bone, add your pork. Give the stuff a nice stir, get it fried up, get it all golden before you add your split peas, which you're going to do now. So, split peas are going in, just keep them flowing. You're adding this to the fried stuff so that they can actually fry in and absorb a bit of the flavor of the pork, get that smokiness in it before you add your boiling water. Once your boiling water is in, simply whack your pot lid on, leave it alone while checking it every now and then, and it's going to come out beautifully. Give it about 45 minutes to an hour, and it's going to come out looking almost like this. Now, not a great picture, but as you pour it, you can see very few lumps, nice and smooth, great texture, creamy split pea-ness, and all the goodness that is homegrown, old school style split pea soup. This is the first video I've edited on my own, so please like, subscribe, enjoy, and we'll see you next week where we do something fun with crayfish.